Hello and welcome to the tutorial for ElectroBIM by DesignMaster. If you'd like to follow along, links to the tutorial project and written tutorial are available in the description below. For this video, we'll briefly go over how you can take the concepts from these tutorials into new projects and where to go from here. Over the course of these tutorials, you've seen how you can bring ElectroBIM into an existing project to enhance your electrical design. Eventually, you'll be given a new project in which you can use ElectroBIM from the beginning. Let's take a quick look at how you can prepare for that and some of the workflows you can use. Make sure any device families you plan to use are properly configured using the Family Edit command. That includes setting bus sizes for panels, kVA ratings for transformers, MOCP and FLA ratings for motors, and so on. Doing this work at the family level will save you having to configure each instance of those devices later on. Configure your customization in your project templates or by exporting a customization file. This step will save you from having to configure the various customization commands over the course of the project. Finally, if you don't have confirmed locations for where to place your distribution equipment in the model, you can still work on designing your distribution using the Insert Create, Copy Create, Power, and Edit commands to build out your single line. Then, once you know where the devices need to go, you can find them in the model and use standard Revit commands to put them where they belong. These tutorials give you enough information to get started using ElectroBIM, but they are far from exhaustive. Fortunately, we offer plenty of additional resources to help you get the most out of ElectroBIM. Our documentation platform, besides having a written version of the tutorial, also has a user manual. The user manual contains reference information for every ElectroBIM command, bases for ElectroBIM calculations, and more. We also have an extensive knowledge base, as well as live monthly training webinars to help you dive deeper into the software. And if all else fails, you can always contact us, whether it's an email, a phone call, a live chat, or sending us a copy of your project. I hope you found this information helpful and that you can use it to get the most out of ElectroBIM. Take care.